Hi, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist certification. If you're an agent looking to work smarter, not harder, or a broker owner looking to attract better agents and retain better agents and get more clientele in 2019 and beyond, this video is for you. We're going to be talking about content marketing as a way to attract more clients. So when I talk about content marketing, I'm talking about putting good information out there for consumers to grasp. And one of the natural byproducts of that is they're going to say, wow, this person really knows their information about this area or about this topic. So content marketing. Content marketing could be educational videos and you put them on your YouTube channel and your blog or your website. It could be article writing. Maybe you write some articles for various publications or maybe for your blog or your website. Those are all forms of content marketing. Could be for social media posts, whatever it might be. Content marketing. Let's get into some examples of content marketing. Content marketing could be tips for buyers. Could be tips for sellers. In other words, educational tips for sellers. Why selling a home in the spring is smart comparing to wait till the summer when everybody else puts their home on the market. You know, educational tips for buyers, educational tips for sellers. Number 3 could be market updates. How are home prices doing in the spring of 2019 compared to the spring of 2018? That's an example of a market update. The 4th could be common questions that agents consistently get. So maybe you as an agent, what are common questions you get from buyers or sellers or attorneys or escrow companies, whatever it might be, common questions, so that when you have a client that's in that situation, you can send them a video and say, hey, I'm sending you a video now that your home's under contract, Mr. Seller. We get a lot of questions that people ask, hey, what should we do now that our home's under contract? Well, I created a video and I'm sending it to you. So again, tips for buyers, tips for sellers, market updates, commonly asked questions. So those are the 4 most common videos. You can do, of course, neighborhood highlights. You can highlight strategic alliances and people in your neighborhood. These are all ways to bring value to your marketplace. So content marketing. How do you attract more incoming referrals and position yourself as a leading authority in your given market? I believe content marketing is the way to do that. Again, through video or through writing, or by the way, the benefit of video is you can always have your videos transcribed, and when they transcribe them, they can create articles and free reports from them. Again, tips for buyers, tips for sellers, market updates, common questions. You create these, you put them on your social media, on your websites, on your blog, that sort of thing, and that's when people find you naturally through looking in your given market. My name is Michael LaFido. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and our contact information is below, and we'll look forward to helping you. Take care.